Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And as I have repeated that in many of my videos, that do get vaccinated. Do register yourself and get yourself vaccinated. As you must have been looking at the news which is just spreading, like the second wave of COVID is really very pathetic condition in India, because our health system is not able to tackle this kind of a situation. So this particular situation is because of our systematic failure of strengthening our health sector. And being a bureaucrat, whenever you will get a chance, you supposed to be taking charge of this kind of a thing. You supposed to be strengthening the health sector, because this particular second wave is going to be going very hard on the poor and all the disadvantaged sections of the society, and this is the thing which we do not want. Especially that is the thing. And as I have repeated that OPSC has not declared the date. In last video also I have told you guys that you supposed to be concentrating this particular time in your strengthening your optional. Not only that, you supposed to be making notes. There are certain things which are called as basic books. Apart from basic books, just like NCERT books, NCERT books are basic books. Apart from NCERT book, you supposed to be having all the material, all the books which is required for your own optional. After collection of all these optional, try to convert into notes which are very essential, I would say, because what happens if when you will go to the main examination, you supposed to be revising it as frequently as possible. The more you will revise, the better performance you will do in the main examination. Yes, the better answers that you will write, the better marks you will get. And especially you see the weightage of optional, it is around 1200 marks. Other things which are included in the merit: general studies paper 1, paper 2 and essay paper. This is having only 800 marks, but see the weightage of optional, it is having 1200 marks. So if you will score really high in optional, chances of your selection becomes very high. Yes, that is the thing. Many coaching institutes and many many YouTube channels also, they are not emphasizing this, but you being my YouTube subscribers, I emphasize you that you supposed to be focusing very much in your optional. You supposed to be taking, if you can find it out, how much was the highest mark of your optional in the last OPSC main examination. You supposed to find out that, and you must be targeting that particular mark. If you are really willing to crack this examination, you supposed to be targeting the highest mark achieved by a candidate in your optional in the last main examination. You supposed to be strategizing yourself. How will you write? What content you have to produce? See, in optional what happens, around 300 marks, and in which you have to write 3 questions of 60 marks, 6 questions of 20 marks each. 3 questions of 60 marks. In 3 questions of 60 marks, you supposed to be writing at least 600 words, at least. I would say at least 600 words. You have to treat that particular question as a mini essay in your optional. You supposed to be having content. You supposed to be having the content in order to get at least, means the highest mark of your optional by the topper. So you supposed to be strategizing. You are supposed to be making all the content. You have to getting all the data. Download all the 5-year question, try to appear it, download any topper's answer sheet from your optional by the UPSC aspirant. They sometimes upload their answer sheet. So you can download it and try to compare your answer with the guy with whom the UPSC guy who uploaded the answer sheet. You can imagine how well you have to write in order to reach that level. If you are able to do that, then your chances of selection is very high. I hope you got this particular message. Try to strengthen this optional paper till the time OPSC declares the prelim exam. They will definitely give you 25 to 35 days a gap of notification till the time exam happens. So you supposed to be this particular time you supposed to be devoting for optional strengthening. So I hope you got my message in this particular video. Then today we will be discussing master key set number 15. For all my new YouTube subscribers, we have started a dedicated test series as well as a crash course for prelim examination. If you are interested, you can join our crash course, and either you can join our crash course or you can join our test series. It is going to be very helpful. We are providing 40 GS paper 1 sets in 599 rupees. If you are interested, then say hi, I am interested in your test series in my email address abisoi27@gmail.com. The email address I will put that in the description as well as it will be there in the about section. Go and check it out. You can download our sample master key set test series from the description itself. So let's start today's discussion. Which of the following country started production of S-400 long range surface to air missile S-400 to India? Is it A, Israel? Is it B, France? Is it C, USA? Is it D, Russia? The answer is D, Russia. Russia has supplied the S-400 surface to air missile to India. Remember, Russia supplied S-400 missile to India. Then coming to the next question, which state has become the first state in the country to implement the agriculture land leasing policy? Agriculture land leasing policy. Is it A, Haryana? Is it B, Himachal Pradesh? Is it C, Punjab? Is it D, Uttarakhand? Try to answer this question. Agriculture land leasing policy started by Uttarakhand government. D, Uttarakhand government has started land leasing policy in agriculture sector. Then coming to the next question, name the half humanoid robot which has been unveiled by the Indian Space Research Organization for Gaganyaan space mission. Means there is a humanoid robot which is being started by ISRO and for the Gaganyaan mission, space mission. Is it A, Space Mitra? Is it B, Antariksha Mitra? Is it C, Vyom Mitra? Is it D, Brahman Mitra? The answer is C, Vyom Mitra. Vyom Mitra is the humanoid robot started by ISRO and it is going to be sent to Gagan space mission. Remember it. Vyom Mitra is the humanoid robot started by ISRO for the Gaganyaan space mission. Now coming to the next question, which state has topped the medals tally of the third season of Khelo India Youth Games? Which state topped the tally of Khelo India Youth Games? Is it A, Haryana? Is it B, Himachal Pradesh? Is it C, Tamil Nadu? Is it D, Maharashtra? The answer is D, Maharashtra. Maharashtra has topped the Khelo India Youth Games. Remember, Khelo India Youth Games tally topped by Maharashtra. Then India's first Mahatma Gandhi Convention Center opens in which country? This particular country has started Mahatma Gandhi Convention Center. Is it A, Chad? Is it B, Mauritania? Is it C, Kyrgyzstan? Is it D, Niger? The answer is D, Niger. In Niger, Mahatma Gandhi Convention Center opened recently. Then coming to the next question, which country has won the hosting rights for Asian Games 2034? Which country got the hosting rights for Asian 2034? 2034. Is it A, Nepal? Is it B, Saudi Arabia? Is it C, India? Is it D, Qatar? The answer is B, Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia has got the hosting rights for Asian Games 2034, which is too far, 13 years from now. Then coming to the next question, the longest temple ropeway project of the world has been inaugurated in which state of India? The longest temple ropeway project of the world has been inaugurated in which state of India? Is it A, Jammu and Kashmir? Is it B, Gujarat? Is it C, Kerala? Is it D, Haryana? The answer is B, Gujarat. In Gujarat, the longest temple ropeway project has been inaugurated recently in India. Then coming to the next one, which state of India has announced to set up country's first sand dune park and interpretation center? First sand dune park and interpretation center inaugurated in which state? Is it A, Kerala? Is it B, Tamil Nadu? Is it C, Goa? Is it D, Maharashtra? The answer is C, Goa. In Goa, the first sand dune park and interpretation center got inaugurated. Remember, Goa is the state in which first sand dune park and interpretation center inaugurated. Then coming to the next one, Keetham Lake, which has recently been added to Ramsar site of list, is located in which city? Keetham Lake, Keetham. Keetham Lake is which lake which got recently added to Ramsar site is located in which city? Is it A, Ranchi? Is it B, Bhopal? Is it C, Agra? Is it D, Patna? Keetham Lake. The answer is C, Agra. Keetham Lake is located in Agra, which is recently added in Ramsar list. By the way, you supposed to be remembering the Ramsar site. If at any new addition or subtraction from Ramsar site, you supposed to be knowing it for OPSC prelim examination. Which state has launched the eco-sustainable program Parivartanam for the fishing community? Parivartanam is a particular program, a sustainable fishing program by the fishing community. This particular state has started this. Is it A, Tamil Nadu? Is it B, Andhra Pradesh? Is it C, Kerala? Is it D, Karnataka? Parivartanam. The answer is C, Kerala. Kerala has started Parivartanam. It's a eco-sustainable program. It's a eco-sustainable program. Parivartanam started by Kerala state government. Then coming to the next question, where will the two new space research technology center will be set up in the country? I repeat the question, where will the two new space research technology centers will be set up in the country? Is it A, Jammu and Tripura? Is it B, Chandigarh and Puri? Is it C, Gwalior and Assam? Is it D, Ranchi and Lucknow? The answer is A, Jammu and Tripura. In Jammu and Tripura, this particular space research technology centers is going to be established. Now coming to the next question, scientists have found a way to produce a mineral in the lab that can absorb CO2 from the atmosphere, offering a potential strategy for tackling climate change. What is the name of that material? I repeat the question. Scientists have found a way to produce a mineral in the lab that can absorb CO2 from the atmosphere, offering potential strategy for tackling climate change. What is the name of the material? See, it's a futuristic material. Means scientists have found that this material can absorb the excess amount of CO2 from the atmosphere. What is the material? Is it A. Bostamite? Is it B. Larimar? Is it C. Malachite? Is it D. Magnesite? The answer is D. Magnesite. Magnesite is the material which can in the lab they have made it, they produce this magnesite in the lab which can absorb the CO2, excess CO2 from the atmosphere. Now coming to the last question of today's discussion, tricep and biceps are example of, is it A. involuntary muscle? Is it B. smooth muscles? Is it C. sphincter muscle? Is it D. antagonistic muscle? Remember tricep and bicep. 16. Tricep and bicep, all those bodybuilders who must be knowing about tricep and bicep. But what is it? Is it an involuntary muscle? Is it smooth muscle? Is it sphincter muscle? Is it antagonistic muscle? The answer is D. antagonistic muscle. Both bicep and tricep are what? Antagonistic muscle. So this was all about today's discussion about master key set number 15. If you are interested, you can join our test series. It will hardly cost you 599 rupees. We are providing 40 high quality tests for prelim examination. And with this we complete today's discussion. Thank you very much for watching. Take care in this turbulent time. Do not venture outside. Do get vaccinated as soon as possible and help your family members get vaccine. If possible in your area, if not in the area whichever area near to you where vaccine is available. Thank you very much. Take care.